Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before I go any further with this project, I started to record. So like, because I know you guys like seeing the process and how people, you know, their minds work because we all think differently and whatnot. Pink Crafty World here on YouTube, Maria, she posted a tutorial on these like little embellishments using popsicle sticks. Right here, these are from the Dollar Tree, and you can use smaller version as well, but I just decided to get the big one. I will link her tutorial down below. I went ahead and used 4 little sticks, and then I went through with my vintage photo ink and literally just painted it on like this. Super easy. I like that I don't have to get messy and dirty with staining because I wanted that like stained wood look for like a rustic look. And they're gonna go like this. This is gonna be like my backdrop, and then I'm gonna have string behind it to like give it a little loop. At least that's what I plan on doing. I don't know if I should do that first with the pieces that I chopped off, because I just lined them up and then drew like a pencil mark with a ruler where I wanted it. Let's see if this crocodile breaks the stick. Oh no, it punched it. It hole punched it. I don't know what size hole I want though. Where's my string? It doesn't. Oh no, it fits. Okay, so I could do the smaller hole. I could get away with the smaller hole. Okay, so I'm using the new KLJUYP. It's the sled die that I just got the other day. And I'm using the middle-sized one. I did go ahead and run it through foam. And then I ran it through with just like an off-white colored paper, like so. Then I went in with my paintbrush and that same, not the same, with the walnut stain. I just blotted it and kind of just distressed it a little bit to give some of the wood grain, I guess, some texture. I don't know. I didn't do too much. I didn't want it too dark because I wanted it to be contrasting against this. So that's gonna go like this. You can do any stain, like Maria did white wood in the back. And she did a little tutorial for like a wreath, which is a really cute idea. But I really wanted to use this new die. And I'm gonna hole punch right on the edge. Hopefully I don't mess this up. Okay, like so. Okay, I did not damage the wood, which is super exciting. Now let me get my string-a-ma-bob. Let me turn these over. Oh, you know what? I do want this to loop like this, but I also need all the pieces to connect as well. You could probably use wood or do 2 separate things because I'm making this more complicated, you know. Okay, so let me do this piece first. I want knots. That's the look I'm going for. Just a tiny little knot. Actually a big knot. Make it nice and tight, kind of like this, you know. Trim it a little bit. Yes, like that. Like a little wood. Oh, you know what? This is a cute embellishment in itself. Like a little wood sign. Look at, like this, and then put a wood sticker. I mean, not a wood sticker, a wood sentiment sticker. Might be my next tutorial. Okay, so there's my knot. Let's cut off the rest. Okay, but do you see what I mean? Like this still has to be connected to this over here. So I'm gonna have to do just strips. Kind of just space them how big you want your cracks in between. Hold it down. Okay. I'm just gonna cut it off at the very end. I'm gonna do it again, make sure I space it out. Okay, so look how cute. It's like a little wood sign. Like you could put North Pole this way, Santa's. Yes, like so many ideas are coming to my head. Okay, anyway. But I want these connected, you know, as if it was one piece. I had to get fancy and make holes. You don't have to make holes. You could just make one big loop, you know. But I wanted knots to show. Okay. Vision coming to life. Yes. Love it. Love when like a vision. Okay, then I'm gonna do this guy on here, but I want to add these are from Dollar. I don't really have my Christmas stuff out yet, so it's just like random stuff I've been buying. So this is from Target. These are sprigs, cedar sprigs. So I just cut a couple off, and I know I want to put them somewhere up here rather. These are from Hobby Lobby this year. Ooh. I feel like I want, what if I chop this leaf off? Hold on. Whoa. Oh, that's cute. Uh-oh. What's going on here? It's like hard to work with stuff when it's not glued down. And then a little pine cone. I just hauled these from AliExpress. Oh. Glue him down somewhere right there. Is that cute? I feel like I need a smaller pine cone. When in doubt, chop it out. Uh-oh. Might be a little too fat or too little. Too big of a size difference. Something's going on. Okay, there we go. These guys will be up there. Yes, okay. And then also from KLJUYP are these words, the Christmas, like Christmas sentiments: Noel, bright, love, joy, peace, cozy, which I think they corrected the spelling. And then I have merry, which is this one right here. So I'm just gonna cut that. I cut that out in white 110-pound cardstock. I hope the white looks good on here. I think it will. And then the merry, oh great, where's the Y? It's right here. The merry on top of it in red. You could do pink to make this like a Christmassy, like pastel pink. Yeah, let's do that. Let me glue the sleigh down. That would help. So it's super cute. Okay, let me glue these little like things down. Somewhere in the middle. Kind of shape it, I guess. Okay, and then my half little flower poinsettia thing. Right here. Balls of holly. Okay, and then I'm just gonna stick these guys in there. I don't even know where. Okay, too much glue oozing over. I'm gonna clean. Oh yes, yes, yes! Loving this. I get that like I should add snow to this, like fake snow, snow tech stuff. Some glitter or some snow. If the snow's dried out, ooh. I want to add some, ooh, this is, do I add water to this or something? Oh, it's looking a little bit dried up. Yeah, like it's just flaking off, great. Just putting a little bit, even though these are already frosted, I'm just putting some fake snow, if it even freaking sticks. But Ida, she's doing a secret Santa swap, or she's already hosting it. She's just revealing videos now. Oh, this will cover up that hot glue mess express. Yep, just put some right there. And somebody gifted the girls this pen, and Ida said basically you just draw the pen on and then you heat emboss it and it like puffs up. I'm like, oh my gosh, I need that pen stat. Because I think embossing something would make it extra pretty. Okay, kind of just like I said, frosting. Ooh. Okay, so that was the snow text. Just a little. And then I'm gonna have to paper piece these little pieces on here. I wonder if there's an easier way to do this. That's where the Y is gonna go. And it's on, luckily it's on white paper, so when it oozes out, I guess I could just do it like this. Ooh, these are tiny. Okay, so I did the mirror. I feel like this paper's too crisp of white, but I guess it looks good, right? Like, what if I distress it? Will it look goofy? Vintage photo? Let me see. Well, I guess I can go around the edge. Eesh, wish me luck. Okay, just a little bit, not too cray-cray. Don't get crazy. Okay, you can barely see that, so I don't know if it matters if you do it. Should I put that on foam? Let's add some foam just to give it, I don't know, something. I don't trust. Great. Now where to put it? Right here? Higher? Right there? God, I have a thing for like centering stuff, you guys. I just can't help it. Look how cute ornaments I'm now selling for $5.99.99. Just kidding. Yes, I love this. I love the way this turned out. Thank you so much, Maria, for the inspiration and the little tutorial. You guys, look how cute this is. This is like so rustic. It could be shabby chic. You know, you can go with the flow with this thing, add more. You could add any, if you don't have this sleigh thingy, you could use different dyes. Like Maria did a wreath that was super cute. Words, sentiments, I mean, the list goes on. And like I said, a little North Pole sign would be super cute. Look, it's like standing stiff by itself right from this sleigh. I'm out of breath. Yeah, that is my quick little project share / tutorial. And I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.